Question number 49. NSB were partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in 3:2:1. Sorry, 1/2, 1/6, 1/3. 1/2, 1/6, 1/3. Then what is old profit sharing ratio?
3:1:2.
3/3, 2/2. This is 3/6, 1/6, and 2/6. Then old profit sharing ratio 3:1:2. Next, what is given? Freehold B retires. Freehold premises stock were appreciated by 20 and 15% respectively. Machinery and furniture depreciated by 10 and 7% respectively. PBD increased by 1500. PBD has credit balance, should be credited, debited to revaluation. Revaluation account debit to PBD by 1500. First we have to calculate revaluation profit loss. Draw the revaluation profit loss. Revaluation account. First, what is given? Freehold premises stock appreciated by 10, 20 and 15. By freehold premises by 20%. Freehold premises appears at 40,000, it's 20%, 8,000. By stock to be appreciated by 15%. Stock is 22,000, it's 15%, 3,300. Machinery to furniture, what is given? Furniture by 10, machinery by 10%, 30,000, it's 10%, 3,000. Furniture 12,000, 7%, 840. And PBD to PBD 1500. First you have to check revaluation account. Is it clear? Yes. Any problem in revaluation account? Are you listening? आवाज आ रही है सबको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
11,300 credit side total. Debit 3, 4, 5,340. 0, 6, 9, 5, 5,960. Yes, 5,960 to profit. There are three partners, NSB, profit sharing ratio 3:1:2 divided by 6. 3 Is it clear?
Sir, S का 993 आएगा.
क्या?
Sir, S का amount 993 आएगा.
हाँ ये सही है. 993 S 1987 3:1:2.
सर
हाँ
फिर बुक में इसका गेन प्रॉफिट 6
तेज बोलो थोड़ा. क्या कह रहे हो?
सर बुक में इसका 6
5960 ही आ रहा है. ओल्ड बुक में आ रहा होगा.
सर बुक में सर ओल्ड बुक में दिया हुआ है इसका आंसर जैसे
नहीं नए के अंदर तो यही दे रखा है. देख लेते हैं एक बार. 5960 आ रहा है.
पता नहीं ओल्ड बुक में
नई बुक में 5960 है बेटा. यही है सही आंसर. नेक्स्ट पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. By balance reading their capital 30-30-28. Goodwill of the firm valued 21,000. Goodwill of the firm valued at 21,000. Calculate retiring partner B share 3:1:2 NSB. This is 2/6 means 1/3 7,000 to B 7,000. N account debit, S account debit. Is there any new profit sharing ratio? No, it has not given. Then what is the new profit? What is the gaining ratio?
3:1.
3:1. In 3:1, 7,000 divided by 4. 1750 into 3, 5250 1750. Is it clear? Then entry to B NSB dash 5250 1750 by N by S 5250 1750. Next, revelation profit loss profit. By revelation profit 2980 993 1987. Any accumulated profit loss. General reserve 12,000 6,000 2,000 4,000. 3:1:2 in all profit sharing ratio. You have to check your asset side. Is there any accumulated loss or all goodwill? है क्या?
No sir.
Then loan transfer to his loan account and adjustment to be made in current account. To these loan 40,987 लेस 5250, पहले इसका निकाल लेते हैं। 40,987, 40,987 टू हिज लोन अकाउंट।
सर आपका मोड पूरा नहीं दिख रहा है।
मैंने इसलिए किया है इसको ताकि ये आपका इसमें जो लिखा हुआ है ना वो पहले वाले में बहुत दूर से दिख रहा था, थोड़ा इसका यहाँ कर दिया। अभी लास्ट में इसको थोड़ा और सेट कर दूंगा ताकि वो भी दिख जाएगा पूरा, ठीक है ना। पूरा करने के बाद टू बैलेंस CD 38,980 लेस 5250 037 33,730 32,993 less 1,750 34 31,243 balance BD 33,730 31,243 अब दिख गया ना पूरा, यहां तक का पूरा आ रहा है पार्टनर्स कैपिटल। नेक्स्ट कैपिटल एडजस्टमेंट। What has given? Continuing partner decided to adjust their capital in new profit sharing ratio. Continuing partner, there are two continuing partner, means it is second capital adjustment. What is to be adjusted? First we have to calculate continuing partner capital after all adjustment. We have calculated. Make the total of continuing partners capital after adjustment. This is total capital of new firm. First, total capital of new firm N and S 33,730 31,243 3,794 64,973 64,973. What is new profit sharing ratio? 3:1. 3:1. Multiply with the new ratio. 64,973 into 3/4 and 1/4. 4. 48,730 and 16,243. टोटल करके देखो वापस 48,664 7 and 54 64 64 9,673. टू 48,730 और इसका हो जाएगा 16,243. Difference is to be transferred to his current account, their current account. 42 यहाँ आ जाएगा by N's current account. 33 से 9,000. 31 48 ये हो जाएगा 15,000. चेक S current S capital 16,243 31 15,000 to S current account करो जल्दी से। दिख रहा है यहाँ तक बोर्ड सारा? आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
ओके। Yes, have you completed this question up to partner's capital account?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next is balance sheet. First, freehold premises 40,000 plus 8,000, 48,000. Machinery 10% less 27,000. Furniture 840 less 11,160. Stock 22,000 plus 3,300 25,300. Debtors 20,000 less PBD. Old PBD 1,000 increased by 1,500 2,500 PBD less 17,500. Cash no change 7,000. Ends current account 15,000. Capital N and S capital 48,730. 16,243. 3,794. 64,973. Next, S current account 15,000. Creditors 18,000. Bills payable 12,000. करो टोटल।
सर बी लोन भी तो आएगा ना?
क्या?
बी का लोन अकाउंट
20 लोन अकाउंट। बीस लोन 40,987. Make the total of both the side of balance sheet.